Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. After that, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on your photos right away. You can also select the gallery section, pick your photo over here and click on Add at the top right corner. If you want to, you can even click on Gallery. Then select Folders. Look for your photos over here and tap on the chosen one to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!